Venerable Guru Chokyi Nyima Rinpoche has been very compassionate towards the Newar Buddhist community. The Kanjur Sedrubling Monastery, located in Bodh, is popularly known to Newar Buddhists as Seto Gumba. Through this Gumba and several other small Gumbas scattered in different parts of Kathmandu Valley, Venerable Guru Rinpoche organizes various programs for the benefit of Newar Buddhists. Today, Venerable Rinpoche has come to this vihar called Padma Varna Mahavihar or Jyathabaha to commemorate the closing ceremony of the recitation of Kanjur. On this occasion, he requested the audience to be very serious in the practice of the dharma. He also introduced Tara's Triple Excellence program on this occasion.